Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video we are going to fix this bent derailleur hanger. I got into a little accident and the bike fell onto the rear derailleur, causing the hanger to bend inwards. Now, normally you would use such a specialty tools like this one from Park Tool, a derailleur alignment gauge, but that's just as expensive as my entire bike. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do a DIY way of fixing the bent derailleur hanger. And the way I'm going to do that after I've removed the wheel and loosened the derailleur itself is to put in this 8mm threaded rod, which you can just pull through the hole because it's smaller than the mount itself. I put on washers and these long nuts, and the idea is that after you've tightened it, that you can grab hold of it to bend the hanger in the right shape. I tighten it with an adjustable wrench, and the length of the rod itself makes it easier to know if you're on track in terms of aligning, both horizontally and vertically. So after tightening it, you can exert considerable amount of force on the hanger. Be careful not to overstretch it because you can damage your frame to a point where you can actually throw it away. And by looking at it or using a tool such as this very lengthy long ruler with a 90 angle degree or a leveler, you can see if it's bent correctly, both horizontally and vertically. Now, the cost of these parts are like $2 or $3. It's much lower than the $80 you would pay for the Park Tool version, or maybe $40 or $50 for a cheaper one. But it works nonetheless. It doesn't work. It might not work as perfectly as an official tool, but it works. It does the job perfectly, if you ask me. So putting the derailleur back on, putting the wheel back in, fixes this issue, and you can ride your bike again. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Wish you all the best with your own bike restoration and bike repairs, and I hope to see you on the next video. Take care.